Hey guys, this is Peter with GoodyReader.com, and this is an unboxing of the Boox Note Pro. This is a review unit, so it is already opened up and things aren't going to be as they would be in place when you buy yours, but it'll be close. So it does look like this. Everything is nicely packaged. They keep the packaging to a minimal, as you can see. It is very slim fit, and it is basically cut to the dimensions of the reader to the point where it's really hard to get out, but that's fine. So I'll put the reader aside just for a second and explore the rest of the box. You get a warranty card with a serial number seal on there, so hold on to that. You do get a quick start guide as well. We'll just go over this if we have English. Here we go. For the majority of our audience, you can pause the video at any time on these panels if you want to see what's happening. And we'll just glance over at the Chinese side for our Chinois viewers. I believe that is Chinese in French. Born and raised in Canada, don't really speak French. Alright, and that was supposed to be on the top so we can remove those documentations easier. In here we should have the stylus. That's right, they did include the stylus separately. This is a universal stylus, which is not a negative thing. It's actually a really good thing because that means it's very cheap to replace and you can use it on multiple devices like Boyu devices, other Onyx devices, Jezitech, and so forth. Lots of versatility there. You do get a USB cable as well that comes in the box. It is running USB-C, so it is very modern, and it will say Note Pro on the back. So when you get your device, make sure it says Note Pro because, man, there are a lot of Note devices that they make. There's like 4 or 5 of them, so you have to make sure you're getting the one that you know you're getting. It is flush screen and bezel. On the bottom you have all the fun stuff. You have the USB port, you have stereo speakers, you have Torx, sorry, I was thinking of the screw head. A Torx screw, so you can actually open this device and service it if you want. Hard reset, and the power button is at the top. Everything else is software driven on the device itself, except for the one button at the bottom that you have. So this thing is very nice. It's very light, actually. I can hold it up with one finger. Well, not one finger, that's impossible. I hold it up with 2 fingers on the very corner. It's light, but it's mid-range, which basically means that it feels very stiff. There's no snap when you push down the back. Usually, sometimes when you push the back of a device, when it's very big like this, it's very long, it ends up dipping down and you can almost hear the little snap when you touch the battery pack or the circuit board. This one's actually really well built. The glass at the front offers very high resistance to scratches. However, your writing experience will be a little bit reduced because it feels like you're writing on a piece of glass. And that's mostly because, well, you are. So you get a little bit of a reduced writing feel, but I think the trade-off is really good because you don't have to worry about scratches, denting, anything else when it comes to the writing experience. You just write away and you don't ever have to have that at the back of your mind. This is the full unboxing of the Note Pro. This is a 2019 device. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, let us know down below. Otherwise, stay tuned for the review and keep following GoodyReader.com. Thanks so much, everybody. See ya.